Are you looking for a GCSE revision guide that covers everything that your student needs? Collins Complete Revision and Practice could be the solution. Collins Complete Revision and Practice is a revision guide, a workbook and a practice paper all in one, so you get 3 books for the price of 1. Plus it's only $4.99 for schools. Let's take a look inside.
We're going to look at Collins Complete Revision and Practice for Edexcel GCSE Maths Higher, but the book is available for many more subjects too. Students can recap topics in the clearly laid out revision guide and return to the content throughout the year to reinforce their knowledge through spaced, repeated practice. The revision guide includes quick tests on each page and handy boxes highlighting key points for quick reference, in addition to the core revision content covering every topic in the course. Plus, you can scan the QR code to do a quick quiz on your phone, perfect for practicing active recall and for metacognition. On the corresponding workbook page, students can put their knowledge to the test for more in-depth practice. Plus, you can scan the QR code to watch an example video solution for the topic. Finally, students can complete a full exam-style practice paper for realistic practice ahead of their exam. Answers are included in the book so students can mark their own work.
And there you have it, Collins GCSE Complete Revision and Practice. A revision guide, a workbook and a practice paper all in one book. And these cover a wide range of GCSE subjects from only $4.99.